Race number 9. Anytime now, race number 9. And the race is on. Una Mujer, Fields of Gold alongside his Final Impact. Chinoy moving up by Darrell. Racing on the outside, Mr. Slim. Dan Scotty, Time to Change is running by Darrell and Cecilio. Final Impact by about 3 lengths by Darrell is Chinoy alongside Una Mujer. Win between runners, Fields of Gold, Dan Scotty, Mr. Slim, Time to Change is running by Darrell. Another far turn, Final Impact by about 3 lengths. Chinoy is running by the Fields of Gold on the outside, and Dan Scotty on the further outside. Una Mujer, Time to Change is running by Darrell as they race the last 500. Final Impact, Chinoy, Dan Scotty, Time to Change is done on the inside and still moving up as they race the last 250. Final Impact, Time to Change by Darrell. It's now Time to Change on the outside is Dan Scotty. Chinoy in between runners and nearing the finish line. Time to Change on the outside, Dan Scotty, and nearing the finish line. Time to Change overpowering Dan Scotty. Third, Chinoy. Mr. Slim, Final Impact, Fields